we are looking at a little change for the open here this morning ahead of what still is going to be a pretty busy week in terms of some earnings still trickling through and some economic data trickling through as well. So there's the opening bell here on this Monday morning with the holidays upon us. Hanukkah began last night. Happy Hanukkah.
Thank you.
To everyone who celebrates.
You as well. I'm looking at Master Brand. Looks like a brand that I may want to shop. Hopefully it's a retail brand.
What? Okay.
Cabinets?
I don't know.
Cabinets, yeah. Cabinets.
Okay, Master Brand cabinets. Are you in the market for you have a nice kitchen.
I do. I mean, they've been around for 70 years. Good for them. Getting some play on the New York Stock Exchange.
Good for them indeed. All right, Brad is checking out what's going on the Wi-Fi Interactive over there. Brad, you doing okay there as we get underway this morning?
I was just waiting for some things to calibrate so that we could put together a full view of what's going on for our viewers here. So taking a look at the Dow out the gate, flat, but barely to the upside here. Let's take a look at the year to date. How about that? Because we're going to be entering into some low volume periods as traders get some of the vacation. Of course, that could lead to some volatility, some volatile swings. Not here today. We're just kind of muddling along here. Flat to the downside now for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So you've got the early makings of a waffle activity there. And then additionally here, checking in on the NASDAQ composite. Let's take a look at that major average for the tech heavy average. You're seeing that flat, just barely to the downside as well. S&P 500, same case there. I sound like a broken record, but let's check in on some of the sectors. Perhaps we got some interesting activity playing out there. As of right now, you've got more laggards than advancers, really just energy, and now you've got some entrance into that party, the positive gains party, with materials flat, barely to the upside, and financials deciding to get in on the chat too. So all in, you're seeing communication services actually move lower by about 0.7%, bringing up the boost here. We're going to break down some deal activity that's taking place in that sector in just a hot second. And then lastly here, I did want to take a look at some of the travel names as we've seen for TSA travel throughput numbers. I noted down that we had seen 2.35 million people travel over this weekend, yesterday actually, to really kick off some of that holiday travel. And so keep a close eye on some of the airline names. You have also got a deal between United Airlines and Mesa Airlines for regional flights. That is, they move away from their previous partner, which was American Airlines. And so American Airlines are seeing them actually fractionally higher right now by about 0.3%, while United Airlines is up by about 0.6%. So we'll keep a close eye on everything from the booking names all the way into the hotel, the travel and accommodation space. Going to be interesting to watch over the course of this week as we see even more of those throughput numbers giving us some kind of real-time insight into how people are moving about the country this holiday season.
Yeah, we always have our anecdata as well. I think you're the only one of the three of us who is going to be getting on a plane in the next week or so. Yes.
Spirit, right?
No.
Maybe the rest of us will be getting in some vehicles, although I won't be traveling far. We'll discuss our holiday plans more later.